In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for meeting minutes, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to route your transcripts to the right model, protect sensitive details, turn messy conversations into clear minutes, extract accountable action items, and package everything into an executive-ready email. Start by sending your meeting transcripts to the right model tier in the selection dropdown at the top of your workspace. Keep it on the instant tier when you need rapid cleanup. This is perfect for quick spelling fixes, removing filler like and or reformatting bullet notes into clean paragraphs. Switch to the thinking tier when your transcript is long, overlapping, or unclear. It uses deeper reasoning to disentangle threads, surface implicit action items, separate debates from decisions, and summarize complex alignments. A helpful tip is to do a fast pre-clean with instant, then move to thinking for the heavy synthesis. Next, use the de-identified strategic synthesis prompt. Never paste private financials, confidential client information, server credentials, or protected identifiers into a public model. Replace specifics with general placeholders, then instruct ChatGPT to act as a corporate secretary and project management lead, and to organize the output into 4 modules: a 2-sentence meeting objective and overview, a concise set of core discussion themes, a clear list of official decisions made, and a comprehensive action items matrix. That matrix should track the specific task, the assigned department or role placeholder, and a target deadline framework. Drop your raw transcript or rough notes into the prompt and keep personal names or sensitive data removed. After that, drive accountability with the action item and milestone extraction prompt. Tell ChatGPT to act as a strict technical scrum master. Ask it to pull every explicit and implicit task from the meeting and format a data-driven checklist. Each item should start with a direct active verb, reference the exact tool or workspace asset, name the specific speaker or role responsible, and include the exact timeline mentioned. If an owner or date is missing, require the label UN assigned need realignment, so gaps are obvious and can be resolved quickly. Finally, convert the finalized minutes into an executive email. Specify a brief message under 250 words with a punchy subject line, a 2-sentence high-level summary, 3 concise leadership takeaways, and a direct link placeholder to the master action tracker. Keep the tone clear, skimmable, and free of fluff. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.